A new property just hit the market here in Weston, in Savanna. So Savanna is one of the largest community here in Weston. It's well known for its amazing clubhouse. It has like a kids pool, big pool, lap pool, all kind of things. And it's a beautiful, beautiful condominium here in Weston. So the property is located at the COVE, which is like in the center of Savanna. So it has a pool, it's waterfront, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and listen to this, it's almost 4,000 square feet. You have to see this property. So this is the address. I'm going to be waiting for you this coming Sunday. I will be there from 1 to 3, so I expect you to be there with me. We can have cookies, we can have water, we can talk. So I'll be waiting for you this coming Sunday and this amazing property, again, in Savanna and Weston, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and an exquisite pool with lake front. So I will see you Sunday.